Okay, now we have defined all the material and all the sections. Let's see how we navigate through the model. So we have a 3D view open right here, and by pressing Shift and middle click, I can orbit the model. If I want to select, I just click and drag the left click, and I can select by like this and unselect by pressing escape. If I want to select specific beams or columns or elements, I can keep clicking them without holding any button. And then if I have to unselect one thing, I can hold shift and unselect that particular element. If I want to delete, I just press delete. On those selected elements are deleted, I'll press back by undoing Control Z. So that, and now coming to right click shows us all of these visibility options. We'll get to in a bit. Now drawing is as simple. On the left you will have your draw toolbar. If it doesn't show up, go to options, customize toolbars, and this should be clicked here. Okay, so the simplest is the draw beam or column. The moment I click on this, my properties is going to show up. Make sure that if you're drawing columns, go to whatever you have named it. In this case it's conc col, which means concrete column, and you just have to start drawing, and it's a continuous drawing feature, so you can keep going and going and going. Now what we're trying at the basement, or sorry, at the footing substructure level is I'm going to be deleting. So if I have drawn this and conc col, if I do something like this, I don't need this line, nothing needs to be connecting the footing. So we have only beam here, and this straight away is column goes to the footing. That's how you make columns. Beams, go to plan. That's very much like ETABS. Sorry, very much like Revit. If I go to any floor, with this arrow button, I can navigate different floors. Okay, so if I go to any floor, I go to beams. Make sure this is not conc col. We are drawing beams, so conc beam, and then you can start triangulating, or if it's a straight. Now this is a continuous function, so you'll have to press escape, go back here. It could be a little tedious, but make sure you're snapping properly, and go back here, make sure this is there, should be the last selected section option, and that's how you can sort of triangulate and start drawing floor beams. You can go back to 3D and see that you've done it right or wrong. Okay, so we have our columns. You have to draw all the columns, all the floors, all the beams as well.